Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the Epic Empire PR Gang 2x5 fruit challenge. That's a tongue twister. A woolly for something, you know?
Woolly for fruit.
But we're going to do it. So how it works is it is 2 fruits and you have to have 5 different fruits and 2 of each. So I have 2 bananas, I have 2 nectarines, 2 golden delicious apples, 2 strawberries, and I have 2 grapes. We didn't have cherries in our area, and the ones that we did see, they didn't look good.
Didn't look good.
They didn't look good. What do you have, honey?
2 banana, the 2 nectarines, and then Granny Smith. I love the sour things.
And then he has 2 strawberries and 2 grapes. They stay small.
Oh,
so
you see the grape. That's why, because I'm going to swallow the grape, because I already ate the grape already in my head. That's why.
All right, guys, and this was with Prissy P and with her husband, and we are just ready. We're ready. So you have a strategy?
Ready to eat. And see, here got the timer right here.
Yes.
You can see. So whenever the boss said you're ready, we go.
Okay, we're ready. So you gonna press start?
I'm gonna press start right now. Ready?
Okay.
Start.
Go. Let's see where I'm going. Let me have my grapes first, because I can't talk too much. Guys, I can't eat fast enough, but I'm gonna try.
Guys, it's a big one.
And those are the smallest ones?
No,
What's that?
my thing.
Honey, I'm back to do it today.
No worries.
There's some full already?
Careful, yeah, come on.
Every time I see a banana, it reminds me of what's her name? I forget. Can't talk, huh?
Boy, I get tired now.
Strawberries are sour. Banana. I remember one about you because you yum fast, so you good.
Yeah, we never the big one first.
Exactly. I don't know if I said it, but you have 12 minutes to eat all of these fruits.
10 minutes in.
10 minutes in? No. 2 minutes in.
2 minutes in.
That's what it says.
You know what I mean?
I mean, you only have 2 minutes left.
For jar your fuck.
I thought it was going to be that bad. It's a lot of work.
Yeah, people said 5, you should make it 5 minutes. It's hard.
It's hard. And 2 minutes gone already? Man, let's stop chat.
Stop talking, let's eat.
That's a big ass apple.
Want you to go to my apple? What you better already? You got a good strategy. You think I time?
I love nectarines. We love nectarines. Woo! It's sour.
How far did I get down this?
That's good.
That's good?
Oh. The nectarine fresh though.
Here's your jaw. Nah, that's time.
How much time we have left, honey? What is that?
We 4 minutes down there, you know, they're 8.
If you got to do this challenge, mine on a choking now, be careful.
This ain't no joke. Here's your jaw.
It's hard to not talk.
Yeah, you want time now. You want time crunch.
Normally we chat.
These are big.
I know.
Jam in your fuck.
I don't know why it's so sour today.
You got strawberry already too? What the hell?
You didn't see that eat them?
Now you can't stop the clock until everything's in your mouth. Time to run.
Time to go on. Guys, this ain't no joke.
Yo. This is harder than eating food. My jaw hurt me in the house. That'll be a big one. Good job. Do it for the team. You got it.
Yeah? Alright.
Wow. 16 guys already.
My favorite apple is Macintosh. They never have none.
Damn. You showed me out. Damn, you ate up all the you got 2. You could do it.
I don't know. This is big.
Mine bigger. Here's some tangerine.
For real. But you gotta have an apple and you have to have a banana. The apple is what slows you down.
He does.
But your strategy is good to eat the apple first.
When my apple's out of the way, it's over now.
That makes sense.
Swallow this soul. Better than you.
I'm in a daze.
My jaw hurting. This is an epic one. This is a good one.
Ooh.
Everything is easy. For me.
The skin of an apple is so tough. I wish they had Jamaican apples. I would have brushed up about 5 of them.
What about you?
They're perfect. Yeah. Almost go. Is that 6
4
minutes?
6.
What? 4 minutes?
Damn. With your jaw, son.
4 minutes?
Wow.
Somebody put 5 minutes? Ain't no way.
You know what I mean?
I eat slow. Eat bite mine.
My jaw hurt. This ain't food.
on, Batman.
You need to go eat these banana. Tom, this is they hurt the straw.
Okay, you can't buy mine anyway. Well, qualified.
We ain't gonna make it.
You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it?
Ken, 256 now, 55.
What?
Same food. Food, I got hold you.
Well, at least I have 2 left.
Guys, this one is tough.
Yum your strawberry.
I mean, no worry, I'm back down.
You know what you can do it? I got an apple.
Apple fuck me up. Them apple mess me up. Good. Try to tell me, name too, yeah? Probably leave one.
Oh.
You did good.
See?
So yeah, 1 million change.
And how much is left, guys?
150. Cut. Blood clot.
I'm trying to make the ring light not look in it. I'm sorry, guys. See, that's how much time is left. Boy. I'm 30 seconds. Oh.
I'm done.
Oh, more.
One to four? Crunch time?
50 seconds. Yeah, them 3 you usually have 1 left for you. 37. I'm done. Wow.
Give me a countdown.
26 seconds. That is not that easy. No.
It's a tough one.
It is
Come
not
on,
that
count
easy.
down.
17 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, not 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
You're just gonna press on pause.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, guys.
Alarm.
Time is up. Stopped.
Damn. Shit.
You left banana still, but some
Them apples, yo.
apples. Excuse me, guys. Wow. No sada.
Why? It was a good one.
That was a good one.
God damn,
I thought
it
you
was
could eat it.
Some people said you could do 5 minutes. This can't work in 5 minutes.
This can't work in 5 minutes. This is yeah. Yeah.
But this one was real good.
It was real good.
Wow.
Whew, it's the apple. The apple is what
got me.
slows you down.
The
And
apple-
it's a good thing that they said that you have to have an apple. Excuse me.
Good call.
Good call, guys, because that apple really slows you down. Man. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for joining us today for this challenge. You know that I love you. We love you. We'll see you next time. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yo, your jaw not hurting?
My jaw hurting.
See you in the next one. Bye. Yo, I can't even say bye.